Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Ford Expedition. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, sockets, and a jack. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery cable before starting any work. Make sure your vehicle is securely lifted and supported on sturdy jack stands to prevent accidents. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Now let's locate the old starter. It's usually found on the passenger side of the engine, near the transmission. Once you've spotted it, carefully disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire. These are typically held on by nuts. After the wires are off, you'll need to unbolt the starter from its mounting points on the transmission housing. With the old starter removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new starter into place, aligning it with the mounting holes. Hand tighten the mounting bolts first, then use your wrench to secure them firmly. Next, reattach the electrical connections, ensuring they are clean and tight. A secure connection is crucial for proper operation. Finally, reconnect the negative battery cable to complete the electrical circuit. Before lowering the vehicle, give the new starter a test by attempting to start the engine. Listen for a strong crank and a smooth start. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced your starter. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.